ladies and gentlemen.
Welcome to Bears Bikes video. Yes, sir. I just started this bad boy up. Man, it's nice, man. My Harley Davidson Roki. I like Roki. I just fired her up. Man, this started right up good. It's a good runner. What a runner. It's 19, 20 degrees out, something like that. Oh, no, I'd say 28, I think. Hear that? Pretty sweet, huh? I'm going to shut it down. Stop button. What? Lock her back up. I love this bike. I like this one too. This is my brother-in-law's bike. Victory V92. Freedom V92 with, believe it or not, that bike puts out just a touch bit more horsepower and a touch bit more torque than the Screaming Eagle 110 Harley stock out of the factory. Then that's the smallest Freedom engine that Victory made. It's too bad they had to go out of business. They got a great product. I gotta go use the bathroom. Okay, peace out.